does it smell nice in here? Oh, I guess you probably can't smell. But I will say that in here there is an aroma about the air that I'm really enjoying. And it's one of our brand new nail care products that I'm going to be showing you today. We are launching our brand new Nail Nourish Candles. Now, when I tell you that these are the most thought through design that we have ever come up with, these candles, firstly, have so many benefits. So we have built in biotin for your nails. And I know you're thinking, what do you mean for your nails? Well, that is what I'm about to show you. Our new Nail Nourish candles are designed to obviously give a light aroma in the room, but also built with essential oils and nourishing ingredients for your nails and for your hands. So firstly, I want to go through the scents and then I'm going to show you how they work. So the very first one I told you, citrus, paradisi, grapefruit, and vanilla. We went through so many scents to get these right. We were constantly spending so much time in the office, smelling all these different smells and being like, having to do the coffee beans in between to work out exactly the right scent that we wanted for these incredible candles. And so what you're going to do, I'll show you. So this is what it looks like when it isn't lit. This is obviously my lit one. I'm going to put that there. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to, I'll show you how it comes. So it comes like this and it's a tin, okay? So there's nothing worse than having something you're really worried about. So you don't have to worry, which is great. So you can also travel with them as well if you like to. So it's a tin with this beautiful lid and you can see it has this spout here for the pouring mechanism. Okay, so inside is your beautiful candle. Oh, this one is divine. This is geranium and sweet orange as well. And these are available on the website now, so you can jump on and grab them. So that's geranium and sweet orange. And they come in this beautiful little box as well. So for gifting, for Christmas and things like that, I feel like these would be incredible as well. And so what you do, let me show you this one as well. So this one here is our amazing rose and bergamot. Oh, I'm trying to think. I think this one might be my favorite. Wait, hang on. I'm going to blow this one out as well to show you. So you'll basically blow it out like this. So you burn it for a little bit. This one's been burning for about a couple of minutes, not even. Like that. So blow it out like so. And you'll see that there is a essentially like an oil. I'm trying to like not pour it while also showing you. Let me see if I can do that nice and close. So you'll see inside is an oil that you basically let cool for a minute. Okay. And then you actually pour this onto your hands, onto your nails, and give it that really beautiful, nourishing effect. So once it's cooled a little, you're going to pour, oh, look at that, pour that into your hand. Pour it over your nails, pour it over your skin. It's a little bit like, it's like a warming effect as well, which I think, oh, give me a moment. I'm going to be just enjoying this. It's like a warming effect, which is absolutely stunning. So you can see, then you just rub it, and you can rub it directly into your nails as well to create really, like I said, we focused on the ingredients, the essential oils that we are putting in. Run that down your hands, get that beautiful, nice, nourishing feeling all over your skin, all over your nails, and again, focusing on those nail areas. And the other thing is as well, the scent is like lightly transferred, which I love. So it's not overpowering, but it does have that sort of, oh, I've used like a beautiful, luxurious hand lotion as well. So you can rub it all over your skin, all over your hands. You can use it on bare nails. You can use it, I mean, obviously my nails are not bare. I've got pink Lux on. You can absolutely use it on your, manicure. I think for cuticles, this is incredible. It really, cuticles, obviously day-to-day activities get really dry. So getting this right into those cuticles is what I would be focusing on too. Massaging those oils into the cuticle as well. So just rubbing through your hands like so, and you'll start to feel that will rub in and just create that absolutely stunning. Yeah, you can use it over sustainable nails as well. But like I said, like look at how it just brightens and lifts my cuticles. And then I just run that down my hands, and that is ready then for relighting and using again in the future. So you don't have to use it for very long at all. Imagine you're sitting down on your Friday night to do your Sistaco manicure and you light one of the beautiful Sistaco Nail Nourish candles. So you're sitting there, you're having that, aroma throughout your space, you're doing your nails with Sistaco, refreshing your color. And then at the end, once you finish setting, you just pour a little bit of the candle into your hands and give it that beautiful finished manicure feeling. And my skin right now feels so nourished. You hardly need any at all. So the tiniest little bit goes a long way. So honestly, if you wanted to use this really quickly and you're like, okay, I just want to pour a touch of it and then use it, even if it's just on obviously your cuticles, not your whole hands. Like I'm kind of down to here with what I poured just then to show you as an example. You could probably light it for less than a minute, to be honest, already get that pooling and then just pour out and just be able to focus on that nail area that you want to give that beautiful, scent to, but also obviously the nourishing effect is what we're really focusing on. Oh, I can't tell you, my hands smell incredible. What was that? That was the Citrus Paradisi. That is absolutely amazing. So like I said, all down my skin, all over my hands or my nails. You don't need as much as I have. And now they just feel fully nourished and I'm ready for my day. So I feel like start with less and then build your way up. So try just a little touch. And then as you get more used to using the product and you're like, oh, this is kind of how much I want to apply, you can actually do that too. Okay, so that is our incredible Nail Nourish candle. I think candles are fun, right? We all love candles. I think they're beautiful in our home. You've got this stunning marble effect as well. I've got one at the moment on my mantelpiece as you come into my house. So we all love candles, but why can't we have candles that are also functional? And that's what we did. So you get the, candle effect, this soft scent throughout the space, but then you get to actually use it at the end and it's not a waste. And then you can also use it for your nail care. So that is really, really exciting and something that we've been very much looking forward to. We spent, like I said, so much time on getting these exactly the way we wanted them. And so once you're done, you can just pop your lid back on your Nail Nourish candle and this beautiful tin. You can use these afterwards as well. Once they're empty, you can use these to store things in or take things away or jewelry or stuff like that. They are 100 grams, the candle. So they're pretty good, decent size candle. Like I said, that is, to give you some perspective. And then all of them have the spout. Like our elixir, it's probably about the same amount of scent. Maybe slightly less, I'd say, once you've applied, but it actually, stays there and you've got that light scent throughout the day, which is beautiful. Bringing self-care to a whole new level.